everyone, Kasim here. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about my trade setup. Now, I did a video a day or two ago, which I share with you my trading setup. I have it in the link below. You can go check it out. It's a step-by-step video of my setup and how you can have my setup. And the link will be right above here. It will pop up like right now, so you can check it out yourself. And basically, I turned that video. It's a 30 minutes long video. I'm turning it into a 3-clip video, so it should be like 6 to 10 minutes because I know people don't like watching long videos. So I want to turn it to a 6 to 10 minute video, so it's a more bite-sized chunk. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. But not least, here we have this section, right? Which is, if I go to tools, which is this one, flexible grid Kasim Bada. This link is in the description. It is going to be with this name, this exact name, and this link will be right next to it. So all you do, again, you copy the link and you go to setup, you go to open, and you follow the instruction that your computer will give you, which would be this one. Mine is a Mac, yours can be different. So follow the instruction, use Control V, paste the link, and go to imports, right? If you go to imports, and you go to your flexible grid section, which will be right here. Obviously, you want to be on this section. Obviously, I don't think I should mention that, but you have to be on this section of the chart, and then you go to setup, you go to open shared item, and then the link that will be in the description that shows flexible grid. You're gonna copy that and paste it here, and then following this instruction, and then go to import. So by doing that, it's going to basically give you this setup right here. Like I said, this video is for people that already have experience with trading, people that have already been trading before. You have an idea what you're doing. This is for you, okay? Here we're going to have, this is time and sales. This is time and sales. This is level 2 right here. And we have the news here. You have the volume, and then you have the stuff that I just explained. You have the moving averages, you have VWAP, and you have your positive to negative and negative to positives, MACD crossover. So basically this is the setup. So from here, which is the first one, then you have the second one here. In the link in the description, you're gonna just have all this link if you want to have my complete setup. The main grid is this one, flexible grid is this one, and the third one is the one that you just saw in previous videos or previous section. So there you go. If you want to have my exact setup, this is my exact setup, and I'm sharing it with you. People charge for this stuff. People charge for it, but I believe in sharing quality information with people that can change people's life, and having things set up in such an organized way that you just, even if you don't know much about trading and you follow these videos step by step, you are automatically going to have an idea of what I'm doing. And this video, like I said, is for people that already, this particular video that you're watching is for people that already know how to trade. It's going to be in a long form at first, and I'm going to also break it down into sections. So if you're watching the sections, sorry, this is part of a longer form videos, but people don't like to watch 30-40 minutes videos, so I have to break it into sections on YouTube. I'm going to make one long, it can be 30-40 minutes. I don't know how long it's going to be. I'm going to make one long form. Then the long form is going to be broken down into sections. So depending on which one you're watching, just trying to understand what I'm saying here. But that's how you get this information to your computer and be able to have the same setup that I have set up, because I believe this setup is an absolute monster. If you already know how to trade, this is like godsend right here. So go to my YouTube, please subscribe. I'm gonna give you a lot of quality information coming up. If you've enjoyed that clip, hope you've learned a lot from it. If you wanna watch the full version of that video, you can click on the I button right above this video that you're watching, and you can watch the full length video. It's right there. And thank you for watching the video again. Subscribe, like this video if you like what I'm doing here. Stick around. I'll be bringing a lot more content for you, so we can all improve our financial situation. Maybe, you know, quit a job one day and be able to trade and invest and do other things. So stick around, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.